So today we have to talk with the delta star transformation. So friends, what is delta star transformation? Why we use this delta star transformation? So to measure any resistance in any circuit, we use this method. This is the delta connection, and this is star connection. And when we this to this converted, this called delta to star transformation. Now we measure how we convert delta to star. Now this is the three terminal 1, 2 and 3, and this is star, it is 1 and 2 and 3 terminal. Now between the terminal 1 and 2, this and this, also we adding this R1 plus R2 equal to R1 plus R2 equal to R12 in this terminal 1 and 2 terminal between R12 is this 3 are the resistance also, and R12 into R31 plus R23. Why we write this? Because R31 and R23 are in series, and R12 is parallel to R31 plus R23. Then we write R23. Similarly, this is one equation. Similarly, we do this with this R2 plus R3 equal to R2 plus R3. What will you write? R2, this and this. So we write R23 into R23, R31 and R12 are in series. R31 plus R12, and then we write R23 plus R31 plus R12, and we call this two equation. Next what is our duty? Next R3 plus R1. What we write? R31 into R31, what means R23 and R12 are in what? Series. So R23 plus R12, and next R23 plus R31 plus R12. Next what we do? Now subtracting this is 3. Now subtracting the equation number 2 from equation number 1, this to this, and what we now subtract R1 plus R2 equal to R12 R31 plus R23 by R12 plus R31 plus R23, and then we write R2 plus R3 plus R3 equal to R23 into R31 plus R12 by R12 plus R31 plus R23. Then we subtracting this and also this, right? What we need, this is cancel out, R1 minus R3 equal to, we write directly what we write? R12 plus R31 plus R23. Then this is R12 R31 plus R12 R23 minus R23 R31 minus R23 R12. So then what we can do, then we look R12 and R23 R12. This is the cancel out from this. Now we R1 minus R3 and from the equation number 3 R3 plus R1 we add this. So now add this R1 plus R3 equal to what we write, R31 into R23 plus R12 by R23 plus R12 plus R31. Now add this. If we add, then this is cancel out. 2R1 equal to what we write, 2R1 equal to, now step jump, 2 of R12 R31 by R12 plus R23 plus R31. Now 2 or 2 cancel out. Here we what is doing this? We simply add this and this. So we get this equation, and similarly when we add this or this, then what we get R2. Then when we did this and this equation, we give the R3. Now we write R2 equal to R23 into R12 by R12 plus R23 plus R31, and R3 equal to R31 R12 not R1 R23 sorry R12 plus R23 plus R31. This is delta to star transformation. We measure this R1, R2 and R3 by delta to star transformation. So this is the method.